Hey Kingsmill, happy September. Coming to you live from our new Jungle Gym parkour course in our indoor pool space. Pretty dang impressive. We redid the ceilings in here, new woodwork, new roofing, replaced some rotted wood, the skylights that are in here, all new wood, all new roofing, and then next week we start painting. So we're going to paint the entire interior pool, the entire pool deck, the wood, and the ceiling in here. All starts next week. This is all set up and ready to go. Pretty impressive little build out. The progress in here is going good. Once the painting is done, we start the pool mechanicals, the pool filtration system, and then after that we'll do pool tiling and the pool surface itself. So project is going along nicely in here, still moving along pretty dang good. And let's go check out a couple more updates in the fitness center. Come on. All right, so behind us in the two new family restrooms, all the plumbing has been done, new AC work, new HVAC work, and the ladies' locker room is complete. And then we'll come on over to the main gym floor. And it may be kind of tough to tell in this light, but we have new spray foam on the ceilings, new insulation has all been put in, and then it's been all painted as well. So it's a matte black. You stare up what used to be brown. The old ceiling is now all matte black. The insulation foam going throughout this entire main gym floor has all been done. And then in our cardio space, it's all been done as well. New spray foam ceilings, roofing, matte black paint job. It's all in ready to go. Looks very sharp. It's going to present very well. Slowly but surely, we've been moving some of our new HVAC and AC units into the building, getting those into the space. Next up are our new windows and doors. Those are scheduled to arrive in the next couple of weeks, and we'll reinstall all the new windows and doors. We're going to add some windows to this workout facility here. Going to start an outdoor patio in this space, and then insert an air wall between the two fitness rooms back here. Over in the men's locker room, we rerouted the plumbing for the showers and started new HVAC and started new plumbing for the steam room, sauna, and whirlpool. Super excited about the progress. Can't believe it's September already. See you in 2 more weeks.